I'm so nervous. Okay, here we go. Come do my nails with me. So I've been spending way more money than I'd like to admit getting my claws done. Ever since I moved to LA, I've become a nail girl, as one does with the territory. But I was like, you know what? Let's get back to our roots. Let's be a little crafty gal. And I bought the entire Apres Gel X nail kit along with so many other random things that I've already broken. So off to a great start. So yeah, come do my nails with me. Let's see how this goes. Okay, once I do this, there's literally no going back. We're doing it, baby. Now I'm forced to do this, okay? I feel like I get my nails done so often that I know how to do it at this point. So I'm honestly just gonna wing it and hope I didn't spend like 300 bucks on the entire nail salon for nothing. This literally feels like blasphemy, cutting off these nails right now. So I got a little electronic nail file because my nail ladies have one, and I just assumed that this is what you do next. So I'm really not following any tutorials, so we're just kind of like going in blind and like hoping this works. So they always file my nail a little bit down like this, and then once it gets a little bit closer to my natural nail, they'll usually wrap it in acetone. So I guess we're gonna try that. I'm gonna link all of these products in my Amazon storefront. So I grabbed Acetone Next Pure Acetone, and I'm gonna put it on cotton balls and wrap it in tin foil around my nail. So I filed down this hand, my left hand, but honestly it was a lot of effort, so I'm just like not gonna file the right and see if it makes any difference after I let the acetone soak. So I'm just really drenching the cotton pads, and here we go. Also, I am starving and realize I am in the middle of putting tinfoil all over my fingers, so it's gonna be a problem very soon. I have acetone literally dripping down my arms, down my sleeves. Probably put a little too much. Went a little too hot with the acetone. Okay, I'm honestly starving, so let's just like see how these are going. A little looser, but honestly I feel like I might just fill plastic bags with acetone and just soak my nails for a little bit after I snack. Chips and hummus. Love of my life. Okay, so I'm just straight up pouring it into a plastic bag, and I'm just gonna let these bad boys soak. So I bought a whole thing of tips on Amazon linked in my storefront, and this is what my nail lady does. She kind of flattens one out and she uses it to get the other ones off after you soak it. Just so freaking satisfying. Like and follow for part 2.